Oops, wrong address. My mistake. Hi, buddy. Hi, come here.
Oh my
God, I want to take you home. Can I please take you home? Aww. What's up, buddy? Oh, you're so adorable. I want to stay here all day with you. I can't. I'm sorry. Hi, buddy. It's okay. Hi, buddy. Ow, you're biting me. Hi. Go get it. Bye. Hi. Hi, buddy. Hi. It's okay. It's okay. See, I'm friendly. Please don't take my hand off.
Yeah. Stop. Stop.
いやいや、お前も動くなよ。死ぬぞ。
Please, I don't have any time for any gossip now. Eh? Yes.
Look at you. You can take a small bite. Just like the corner, like this. Gentle.
What you ass up?
Wait a damn minute. Wait a damn.
Yeah.
He makes this noise every time he brings us his ball.
Up, dona.
Imitating my dog to see her reaction.
Is this how we sit then, girl? Good girl.
put an ice cube on your pet to see their reaction. Pipi und Kaki in Pipi-Kakaland.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Boop. Thank you. Hello, sir. I just need a favor, real quick. Boop. Thank you. Hello, yes, sir. Boop. Thank you. Excuse me, sir. Sir, do you have a moment for a few words? Boop.
Damn. Here we go again.
Oh my god! Wow!
Please, I don't have any time for any gossip now. Eh? Yes.
Baby, work it.
Boy, you up.
Vur bakayım. Vur vur.
Drama queen.
Y está llorando.
So I was talking to Bethany. Spider! Spider! Where's the spider?
Bless you. Bless you.
This is Charles Pike.
You good?
He's a teacher of the ark.
How mental to dogs?
Hey, buddy, you good boy.
how women talk to dogs.
Ears are up, they relax. If they narrow their eyes and lower their ears, they're becoming aggressive. Eyes open, but ears back means they're...
No. No. Please stop. Please stop.
My cat's never seen a balloon before. I'm just worried about it. I lowered the balloon so he could check it out. Okay? It's a balloon. It's fine. Balloon won't hurt you.
My mom always lets my dog guard her food when she is not around.
Hey, you watch it. Okay, I'll be back. Hey, Mouse, can I have this? Can I have this? No. Oh my God! Can I have it? Wow! Can I have it? Give me my burrito.
Please, please. I don't have any time for any gossip now. Eh? Yes.
You're gay? You're gay. You're one of them queers? You're girly pop.
Excuse me, sweet angel. Hello.
Benji, who's your best friend? 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 Pizza?
So the next thing I'm going to talk about is... Bro, can you record properly?
Where's this fidget spinner? What will she do?
You're just caressing Tegan and it's really cracking me up.
What am I supposed to do if I stop? Okay,
Yo, what's up, bro? What's up, bro? What's up, bro? What's up, bro? Hey, yo, what's up, bro?
Duck. Goose! Oh, shit, Daryl! Sometimes I'll just stir shit up for no reason. Come on, Vicky. Give me a hickey. Did you just take a dump in my yard and try to cover it up? No. Don't lie to me, boy!
You don't have to like me. But I wish you would.
Oh, angel sent from up above. You know you make my world light up.
What do you like about corn?
It's cold. Up good corn Vietnam. It has to do.
I'm gonna.
My hamster tries a grape for the first time. Let's give him the grape. He's struggling to bite it. He almost just bit my finger. That grape just disappeared so fast.
Sugar. Oh, honey, honey.
No?
The moon is right. The spirit's on.
Bart learned how to loaf.
Oh my God! Wow!
Please, please. I don't have any time for any gossip now. Eh? Yes.
Safada.
Invítala a jugar.
Bom dia, sabe?
Gitti mi Ayşe?
I'll follow you into the park, through the jungle, through the dark. God, I never loved one like.
People always ask me, what's the secret to being happy? The first step is getting a dog, and the second step is getting another dog.